So the Commercial Crew Program is really approaching human spaceflight in a brand new way. For years and decades, we've been approaching it as a government managed, a government-owned processes to set up systems to meet the government's needs. Now we're working with industry to help industry to be able to develop their own systems to meet our needs and the needs of other users of those systems. So this means that we'll be able to get our people to space, but also other people will be able to get to space on those same systems. Well, so for the last few years, NASA has been investing in industry to develop the capabilities for companies to be able to, with their own systems, take people to low Earth orbit. And now we're beginning a phase where we're looking to reap the benefits from that investment and be able to take our astronauts to the International Space Station. There's a lot of exciting research being done on the International Space Station. I like to think of it as two different groups. The first group being of looking in a microgravity environment at the kinds of things that happen when you mix different chemicals, or you look at different materials form in crystals, to help us really understand the fundamental science behind a lot of the things that we use every day and that we use to build the things we need. And by that fundamental science, it'll help us to make new medicines, be able to help make new materials, to help make lighter products or stronger things that we can use in airplanes, cell phones, anything. And the other group of the things we're doing on the space station is related to getting ready to explore beyond low Earth orbit. It's studying the effects of microgravity on our astronauts, and also trying out new technologies that we can use for years in space before we venture all the way to Mars or something like that. Going to space is not like walking down to the park. It's a dangerous endeavor, but with our brave astronauts and working with the company's innovative solutions, they're making the systems good enough to meet our needs, but they're not pushing the envelope in either reduced safety or making things so fancy that we can't afford it anymore. So the balance that we're striking right now gives us a lot of confidence that we'll be able to make this work. So I'm very confident that we're going to be able to not only produce these systems to meet our needs, but they'll be safe. We've worked to come up with our safety requirements to help set what it is we need in terms of safety, and we're allowing industry to address those needs in whatever ways that they can come up with. So we're unleashing the American ingenuity to come up with the right ways to meet those safety requirements. The Commercial Crew Program has the near-term benefit of helping to allow us to get our crews to and from space station, but it fits into the overall big picture for NASA's exploration plans. By allowing industry to take the lead on a lot of the getting cargo and crew to and from low Earth orbit, it's going to allow NASA to be able to push beyond low Earth orbit and to accomplish exploration objectives, whether it's to the Moon, asteroids, Mars, and with industry helping to shoulder the burden and take advantage of a lot of the work that NASA and industry has done to date in low Earth orbit.